Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. So first, you have here your file manager. Just open that and then go to storage and then create a folder. Just put here the name of the folder and then go back and go to pictures and select the photos you want to stay in your device, and then copy them and store them in the folder that you made a while ago. Then paste them here, and there you have it. After this, you can now delete the photos in the Google Photo app. And that's it. That's how you delete your photos without deleting them from your device. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope it helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.